Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress white screen of death, that terrifying blank screen that makes your site completely inaccessible. Here's the 3-step diagnosis process that actually works without touching code. What it really means. The white screen of death happens when PHP scripts exhaust your server memory or when there's a plugin conflict. No error messages, just a blank white screen, which makes it incredibly frustrating to diagnose. First, check if you can access your admin area. Navigate to yoursite.com/wp-admin. If this works, you're in luck. The problem is likely on your front end. Solution 1. Disable all plugins. In your dashboard, go to Plugins, select all plugins using the checkbox at the top. Then choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu, which you can see on your screen. If your site comes back, reactivate plugins one by one to find the culprit. When your site goes white again, you found the problem plugin. Solution 2. Switch to a default theme. If plugins weren't the issue, go to Appearance, then Themes. Activate a default WordPress theme like 2025. If this fixes it, your theme was causing the conflict. Solution 3. Increase PHP memory limit. If neither worked, you've likely hit your memory limit. WordPress defaults to 128 megabytes, but sometimes that's not enough. Contact your hosting provider and ask them to increase your PHP memory limit to 256 megabytes. Most managed WordPress hosts like WP Engine handle this instantly through support. Key points include: always back up before troubleshooting, check your WP admin email for error notifications from WordPress, and if you recently updated anything, that's probably your culprit. Thanks for watching. This 3-step process solves 95% of white screen of death errors. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress fixes that actually work.